What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Cozy, and we back, and we're gonna get into another item review. Today we got an item that I bought about a year ago or so. It is the Motion Logo tee. It came out in several colors. It retailed for $40. Let's get into this item. So today I'm showing the Supreme Motion Logo tee. I bought it for $40. These sold out immediately as well. It came out in different colors. Came out in heather gray, black, faded blue, white, peach, and red. Let me know in the comments below if you ended up buying any of these in any colorway. Just plain white tee with the Supreme Motion logo. You see how it kind of like fades away or it like moves? Very fire if you ask me. I also got the hat to go with it. However, I did get the hat first. The beanie came out first, and then weeks later this one ended up coming out. So I got the matching beanie to go with the t-shirt. Again, Motion logo, Supreme, all white. Let me know in the comments below if you're a fan. If you're not a fan, definitely a great grab. Let's check online now and see how much they go for, how much you can get it if you're looking to buy it at a resale value. Here you see the black OM40. It says all cotton classic Supreme t-shirt with printed logo on front. It came out June 22nd of 2023. So that was week 18. And like I said, it came out in black, white, peach, red, gray, faded blue. Let me know in the comments below also if you like any other colors. I got it in white. I kind of liked it though, and faded blue is fire, and this peach color is like different. I don't really got anything peach in my closet. That would have been a great grab as well, but I just went with the basic old white. StockX shows that they got it for, you could buy it right now for $89, size medium if you just want to buy it and don't want to bid. Last sale looks like it went for $64, $65 in medium here, white $70, $108 in green medium, $78 medium red. You got the white with the red Supreme Motion font, $110. The purple one is fire too. I ain't gonna lie to you. The purple one is fire. You can get that for $70. We sold for $54. Don't know what size, but it did sell lastly for $54. This peach one is really fire. $55, and it last sold for $72. You also got the Motion logo beanie, which is the one that I got. So I ended up paying $38 for that one, and I bought it in March 2nd, 2023. So it was like the beginning of spring summer collab. Got it in black. You can buy this for $62 or place a bid. Last one was sold for $55. Only retail for $38. Still fire. And these are the other colors that it came out with. For some reason at one point I thought it came out together, but no. The beanie came out first and then the tee came out after. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you're a big fan of this Motion logo tee, or would you skip on it? Do you like any other collabs? Let me know in the comments below. This is basically like a redrop. So it came out in 2016, I believe, 2020, and then 2023. The Motion logo tee is very known in the Supreme community. Let's go ahead and try this on. Alright guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. The font is kind of trippy, I ain't gonna lie to you. I do like it. I do plan on buying more Supreme Motion logo tees. I wanted like another color, but as of now, that's what we have right now. Tucked away in the closet for the summertime. Like I said, great tee. The Supreme Motion logo is a bit trippy. Like you can kind of get like messed up reading the Supreme lettering with the Motion logo tee, but it's fire. It's super fire. I like how they did it. But yeah, that wraps it up for our item review, the Supreme Motion logo tee. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe for more merch reviews, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.